Hello everyone, today we wanted to show you our new chicken tractor hotel. This chicken tractor hotel is movable. It has 4 wheels on the bottom with tough text panels for the siding and the roof that you can purchase at your local hardware store. We also use 2x4s and 2x2s to make the chicken coop tractor hotel. There is a back door for collecting the eggs. As you can see, the door is here, and here are the nesting boxes. You can see the chickens have settled into their new nesting boxes well as they're laying their eggs. You can see that there is lots of air venting in between the roof and the side panels, so they'll get good circulation throughout the coop. In the front of the coop, 1/2-inch mesh, hardwire mesh, and also a door for the chickens to come in and out. On the inside of the coop, there are roosting bars. There are 3 of them, and lots of room on the inside. I would say that the chicken tractor hotel would hold around 30 to 40 chickens easily. The chicken tractor hotel is 4 feet by 8 feet. So we hope this video was helpful and that you learned something today. We hope that you have a great day, and we hope to see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.